So Daddy was here almost 20 years ago is the last time I was here. Pretty cool. I didn't have you back then.
Daddy,
Yeah?
that's the truck that I saw on the train.
Yeah, so we bought a coin. I think the first two floors, I think it was Phenomena and Technicum, were the best, at least for a 4-year-old. You're using pulleys. That's called mechanical advantage. Pick yourself up. Pretty cool. Get these lights on. Look, you got the light on. You're charging a light bulb. You're a battery. We're using your energy for good. This level explores natural and scientific phenomena with lots of hands-on exhibits about light, sound, and energy, and the giant chain reaction machine that many Americans know as a Rube Goldberg machine, with showings every hour or so. There was very limited seating, but plenty of space to stand around it. Tons of interactive stuff for a 4-year-old to do here. And on a Tuesday, it's not too crowded. There's a lot of stuff that's open. So far, so good. The Technicum floor dives into technology and engineering with exhibits on water management and power, automotive technology. Figure out what's positive and negative. Yeah, there you go. Got the positive, negative, and negative. Flight. So these are the example gliders you can do. Here, there's fish, triangle, and helicopter. Here it goes. Technicum has what I thought was probably the best exhibit called The Factory, which is a giant machine with tennis balls moving through various mechanical bits that kids and adults can manipulate from various points. How to design a bicycle. Very Dutch. Blow it over. Yeah, I think the next floor is more about space, and had a chemistry lab, and the next floor is about the human body or humans and interactions. And definitely, if you weren't able to read, exhibits weren't as interesting for 4-year-olds. There's still stuff to do. But yeah, those first two floors, I think it was Phenomena and Technicum, were the best for a 4-year-old. The rooftop terrace was unfortunately under construction during our visit, with plans to open up in 2025. But it was still a nice stop for an apple muffin and a good view of Amsterdam. Cafe on the roof. And they do finish this rooftop in next spring. So if you're planning a visit to the NEMO Science Museum, remember to go online and make a reservation in advance. This place can get pretty crowded depending on the season and if it's a weekend or not. If you have a museum card, the reservation is free to make, and you'll just be asked to show your card at the ticket counter, and the ticket's free. Honestly, if you plan on visiting more than 2 or 3 museums in the Netherlands, just get the museum card because it's a killer deal and it gets you into a ton of museums around the Netherlands. It's generally open from 10 a.m. to 5:30 p.m., and it's located just about a 15-minute walk from the central station.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.